Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really pretty, fun, springy, kind of colorful look using the ColourPop Wild Nothing eyeshadow palette. I was obsessed with how this palette looked and everything about it, and I finally just purchased it, and it's such a beautiful spring eyeshadow palette, and I believe it's still available and they're always having sales, so definitely check ColourPop out. Their stuff's amazing, and I'm sure most of you know. So to get started, I prime with the WetnWild eyeshadow primer, and I have powder under my eye to catch any kind of fallout. Some of these shadows in this palette are a little powdery, and I will show you a close-up of that later. First I'm just taking this peachy corally shade, and I'm going to windshield wiper that pretty messily in the crease with no rhyme, no reason, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner area as well. So I'm just going to build this up for a moment, and these are nice and smooth, creamy eyeshadows. They're pigmented, but there is a little bit of kickback in the pan, a little fallout on the face as well. So next shade up, this one's actually called Top Down, and it's just a light peachy skin tone kind of shade, and I'm going to take and buff that around the edges, blending the peachy coral shade down in the crease and just kind of blending that down. So I will work on that for a moment and build up my peachy shade again. And once that's done, I'm going to be picking, or here's the fallout kick up in there. I'm going to take Seashells, and I'm going to take that on my flat shading brush. And first I'm going to apply this dry, or no, I'm going to wet it right away. I must be thinking of a different video. Anyways, that's the AOA Studio setting spray, and I just wet this eyeshadow. And I do this, I have the shadow on my brush, I wet it, and go from there. I don't wet it from the pan. And I'm just going to build upon this lid shade for a moment, and it's going to perform its best when it's wet like this. It's also going to help prevent some fallout from this very shimmery shade as well when you wet it. So I'm just going to kind of press that and drag it along the lid. And once that's done, I'm going to be picking up Crystal Cove, and it's just a nice vanilla shade in the eyeshadow palette for my highlight. And I'm going to be applying that directly under the brow bone as the highlight. And I'm just going to place that and then slowly start blending down. And we'll see me mesh all these shades together. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that kind of skin tone peach shade we applied in the crease to blend the brow bone with the crease color, and then add some more crease color as well in outer corner just to build upon that. Now once it's done, I'm going to wipe away my fallout, and we are going to use this Lottie Eyeliner to tightline with. Once that's done, I'm using the LaColors Marshmallow eyeshadow pencil, and I believe the shade is Baby Pink, but I love this for an eyeliner. I thought this looked really cute together, and I love how this look turned out. This is very, very spring-like. And I'm just going to apply the Morning shade that we applied in the crease to the lower lash line in the inner corner. First I'm going to apply it dry, and then I remembered that I actually applied it wet, so we're going to wet the brush with the shadow on it and apply that shade in the inner corner wet as well. This is the Blowout Mascara from Makeup Revolution. A couple coats of that, and the other right eye, the eyelashes are kind of white and stuff. That's because I tried to do lashes. Right here I'm showing that I didn't put any mascara on the lower lash line. For lips, this is a Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe lipstick, and it's just the nude shade. And but yeah, lash glue got stuck in my lashes. And I'm using the e.l.f. Active Setting Spray to set my makeup in place, and this is pretty much the finished look. Finished eyes, finished everything. Very pretty, and I love how this look turned out. I hope you guys will try it out for yourselves. Hope you found the video helpful. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you guys so very much for watching.